From bikes to unicorns, ecology to university, the Portal Trust is on a mission to empower organisations, groups and individuals who have exciting new ideas to support young Londoners like me. Ideas like
Young Artists!
This gives young people in East London free theatre, art and leadership workshops, enabling them to develop their confidence and explore their creativity, easing their path into higher education or employment. The Portal Trust have also partnered with
the Autism Project!
This 2-year programme for autistic young people gives us confidence, experience and the skills to take the next step into employment. Recently we formed a band and I'm the singer. Original and inspiring ideas like this make a great way to meet other people and helps us be creative and be ourselves. The Portal Trust also support
the Urban Nature Project, run by the Natural History Museum. This bold new venture inspires young people to take action on urban biodiversity loss, empowering the next generation of nature advocates, offering a Level 2 apprenticeship as well as creating a full-time entry-level position. This forward-thinking project is helping develop and create new jobs, much like the work going on at
Onwards and Upwards, a charity that launches social enterprises that support and employ ex-offenders. XO Bikes is their first venture, training young people to become bike mechanics. It helps break the cycle of reoffending and is a showcase for the talent of ex-offenders to businesses and society at large. These are just a few examples of the many exciting and innovative ideas supported by the Portal Trust. Every year, the Portal Trust funds around 45 great educational projects that improve opportunities for thousands of young Londoners to find their potential. So, if you have an exciting and original idea that needs funding, find out how the Portal Trust can support you. Visit portaltrust.org. Change begins here.
and that's a wrap.